Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Before it begins, I want to mention that only a small portion of my viewers that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you enjoyed this video and want to see similar content, consider subscribing. It's free and you can always change your mind.
At 23, I bought it all just to make sure.
Mountain View 85 North, El Camino exit. Search online at bmwfremont.com. Stock number H.
You gotta be
00643, MSRP 32986. Short-term financing available with approved credit on select models. See store for details.
Well,
at the end of the.
So that's like you gotta require, require a little bit. So, and then suddenly you're like, okay, well, do I want to
Oh, Jesus.
Okay, do I need an outside? Do I need an inside?
Oh my God. Yo, what the f-
Together from Aerosmith. So I'm curious. I kind of want to know if you purposely avoid a particular route just because
Studios tell you.
I was about to say that too.
What the
you doing?
Just like he said, they always be like, we don't want nothing on social media, no pictures on set and all that.
arrived.
can tell everybody. Yeah, you can tell everybody. Go ahead and tell everybody. I'm the man, I'm the man, I'm the man. Well, you can tell everybody. Yeah, you can tell everybody. Go ahead and tell